Hello, Ravi. This is Srimoy from Meetmaster.
Yeah, tell
This
me.
is a call regarding your request, for a weight check-in amount.
Yes.
Yes, actually, I spoke to the airline, and they have informed me that whoever does the weight check-in from the website and also goes to the counter, after this COVID, you have to pay that amount. That is fine. You shouldn't have gone to the counter. Should have gone directly to the flight.
It happened like this. First of all, I went to the airport. Hello.
Yeah. In
Uh,
airport, you should show in the gate only. You should show the weight checking, and then you directly
no,
move
no,
towards the
no,
flight, not
no.
towards the counter. If you go walking to the counter, they will ask money from you. That is mandatory. You have to give after this COVID.
May I explain?
In spite of you do weight checking from like from website.
May I explain?
Go ahead.
So I went to the airport and I tried to print my ticket. I was trying to
What
generate
you
my
think?
ticket. Okay. I mean, I was about to print a ticket from the kiosk.
You did not take your printout. You did not take your printout with you.
No, because the airport is having the option to
Okay.
print
We're telling you should go take the printout and directly go to show it to the gate, and you directly should move towards the flight, not to the counter. If you go to the counter, you have to pay that amount.
What if I have to drop my luggage? I was having
Yes.
45 kg luggage with me. I am bound to go to counter.
But you know, any kind of, they are giving me the explanation that way. That you have to, if you go to after COVID, there's a policy. If you go to the counter, you have to pay that amount.
I am still not convinced.
Sorry?
I am still not convinced because I have to drop my
You
luggage.
can directly call the call center of Indigo. You can speak to them, and they will say the same.
Then how will I drop my luggage if I don't go to the counter? Hello?
Sorry?
How will I drop my luggage?
I'm asking to you.
How will I drop my luggage? Hello?
Yes, I'm listening to you. Yeah, you will drop your luggage. No, any kind of information if you take from them, they will ask you for that amount. That's what they are telling me. That is after COVID, this policy has been implemented.
So you are saying that the amount which I paid for the Make My Trip, that amount is for the seat booking, not for the web check-in.
That's
Say
right.
yes or no.
Pardon? Sorry?
The amount which I paid, that is for the seat booking, not for the web checking. Say yes or no.
Right. Yeah, you paid for the seat booking. That's right.
Then why did you have option of web check-in in your website? You should mention it for the seat payment, not for the web check-in.
See, 150, and 99. That was done for seats. For seats. You have booked the seats. Two seats are 150, and one seat is 99.
Say again.
Yes.
Hello.
So there is no refundable amount from us or the airline. Nobody is going to refund you because these are the mandatory rules.
Madam, you have a false information on your website, and this is a false, and this is a buggy. If I have to,
Sorry?
Your website is having a problem with this and you have a false information on your web page. So please remove
But
that web
the
check-in.
payment you did, the payment 399 you did for the seat booking. Seat is not free. This is, yeah, and web checking you have to give after this COVID policy, you have to pay there in the counter.
No, I did a web check-in. Your website is having an option for doing a physical on. Go to website and do a web check-in and making a payment for the seat is optional.
Yes.
Please
you
go
want
and
to
check
see
your website again.
The two seats cost you 150, 150, one seat cost you 99 rupees.
Listen, madam, your voice, our conversation is getting recorded on my phone.
Yeah, there were three seats. One seat was 99 rupees and two seats were 150, 150 each.
Then why do you have the web check-in option in your website? It was kept on asking me to do a web check-in. It's a mandatory and it's a free of cost.
Yeah, we have mandatory. Now for COVID policies, we have to do web check-in mandatory from website. And if you go to the counter, you have to pay.
That means I have to pay 2 times.
That is the rule right now after COVID. You can talk to the airline directly. You did not pay anything extra. 399 was paid for your seat.
Then why do you call it web check-in in your website?
Then you do the web check-in, then you have to select the seats.
That's what I'm saying. When you say web check-in,
Otherwise,
it
you
means
cannot select the seats without web check-in.
when you say on a website it's a web check-in, means it's a web check-in and payment for the seat is optional. I can select a random seat and go ahead without making any payment.
Yeah, you could have tried for a middle seat which was free seat. You could have checked. Why did you go for a paid seat? It's your choice. You can go for a free seat also.
That means you are charging for the web check-in as well as seats. But when you go to counter, you need payment extra. This is a false information you are giving on your website.
Airlines is asking for the money, not us. Airlines is policy. This is not us. We have not given money to us. We have not taken any money. Airlines policy is airlines' money, not ours.
Listen, madam, you have a false information on your website, which is incorrect. If you are taking a payment for a seat, please state there that it's a payment for the seats only.
Sorry?
When you are taking a money, please state in your website that you are taking money for the seat selection only, not for the web check-in. Am I clear?
Web check-in comes with a seat selection. You can select a free seat also, sir.
See, even if I do a free seat or a paid seat, web check-in is a web check-in.
You can choose a free seat. You can choose a paid seat. So it's up to you.
Listen,
We are
madam.
not giving you.
Web check-in is a web check-in, no matter it's a free. When I done a web check-in, which means it's a web check-in is done. It doesn't matter whether I pay for a seat or not. It doesn't matter. Web check-in means that it's confirmed.
You can, if you are not happy with my solution,
forget the payment,
contact
madam.
the airlines and talk to them.
Listen, madam, forget the payment.
Because I spoke to them, everything is, there's nothing refundable here, and and their checking has to be done prior to your
Forget the payment. Forget the payment.
Only, this is after COVID. This policy has implemented for all the airlines, not for yours all.
When you say web check-in, it's a web check-in. Can you clear it? Can you make it clear? Web check-in, what does the means of web check-in?
You can skip the
Forget the seat. payment.
Selection.
Forget the
You
seats
could
and
have seen,
payment. Forget the seats and payment. What is the meaning of web check-in? Can you tell me?
I'm not here to explain what is the meaning of web check-in. I know that, and you also know that. If you,
Listen, madam.
You are not ready to pay for a paid seat. You could have opted for a free seat. You did not opt. You have to pay. That's it.
Listen, madam. Web check-in means I am doing a web check-in, which means it's a confirmed web check-in no matter from which platform I do, via airlines or anywhere else.
You can talk to the airlines directly regarding those things. I have given you all the explanations.
All right. Just to let you know, this whole conversation has been recorded on my phone, so I'll go ahead with whatever I have to take the action. Thank you for your cooperation.
You can, yeah.